Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel of Posh Life, where we discuss all things beauty, business, and lifestyle. So if you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. My name is Sierra. So today's video will be an unboxing and then also like restocking my shelves. So I have two top selling products. They be in my Lace Away palette and my Silky Mist, and I have recently restocked both of those. And so I just got this shipment in of my Lace Away palette. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into it, the unboxing, and then shipping out some orders. So yeah, let's get to it. So I did place this order quite some time ago, but it does ship from overseas, from China, and it's been some kind of delays, but it's finally here, and I can get back adding this to the website because the girls have been asking where this product is. And if you have not followed my business page on Instagram, please follow it. Posh Beauty Collection on Instagram and Facebook. So this Lace Away palette is a cream concealer palette of 9 various shades. And I created this palette because whenever you're installing wigs, installing anything, you want to manipulate your lace, because lace is just fabric, but you can manipulate it to make it look just like it's your own hair. And so there are some other brands that have different kind of products, but those concealers, they only have like 2 different shades, and you have to buy a whole bunch of them to mimic the skin color if you have multiple clients that you're working with, or just for yourself anyways too. So I made a palette that has various shades, so that way you can just buy one thing and not have to worry about having all these different kind of products. So this is what the palette looks like. They put all this styrofoam stuff in here. So Posh Beauty Collection Lace Away palette, a cream concealer tinted palette, and each palette also comes with a brush, a double-sided application brush. I'll go ahead and take this one out to show you what it looks like. So this is the brush, and like I said, it is a double-sided application brush. So brush on this side and this side. Palette, one of my best sellers, which is why it's now stock because the girls love it. So just like the outside, inside looks the exact same way. Has various colors, so 9 different colors that you can use individually, or you can mix them together to form your proper shade. And I mainly use these 2 for myself, mainly chestnut. But just like in my install video, I showed how to use chestnut in the medium brown whenever you're installing transparent lace. So yeah, check that video out as well. So yeah, that's that. So now I have to restock my shelf, and then I'll be shipping out some orders that I have as well. So now I'm actually gonna start putting all of the palettes onto the shelves. And at first I was going to use my little display thing, but then I was like, no, that's not going to work. So I laid everything horizontal And I was just going to try to have everything next to the edge control because I really didn't want to have to rearrange stuff. But as you can see, as I'm trying to fill up that area, plus having the palettes there, plus my brushes, I knew that wasn't going to fit. So, and I also didn't like the way how they looked laying down. So I moved the edge control lower down onto the shelves, and then I start putting them standing up vertically. And I like that better because it looked better presentation wise. And then I also was able to get everything on there, including my brushes for the palettes. So I wanted to have everything on the same shelf, so when it comes time to packaging orders, I can just grab everything I need from the same shelf and package my order. So now I'm actually going to start packaging the orders. So I don't have that many orders, I only have 5. So the way that I set myself up when I have multiple orders to package, I already got the palettes and the brushes there, so there's the sets that go together. If you saw my last video where I did like an office tour, then you already saw like the products that I have, and I'm gonna say it again for the new viewers. Have envelopes that the thank you cards go in. It'll be a thank you card, and then this gold bar is where their name goes in. That's just like my little way of personalizing, because it's not a robot that's doing this, it's actually a person. Some tag us cards with like my hashtag and Instagram name. Have my business card. And then for all the orders I have, like this is their shipping label, and then this is the like product page where it shows like what they purchased. So I have all of them laid out right over here. And then I also have some thank you cards that I just got from Amazon. And then some fragile stickers because we don't want people throwing these packages around, okay? So, go ahead and get started. And then I also write the person's name on the envelope as well. And start this one. So this person only purchased one. So write that on this card. So the way that I assembled this envelope is that I had the thank you card, the tag us card, but they purchased right behind it. Two business cards. And this envelope. Thank you sticker to seal it. So since I already have the envelope, the next thing is they go in these poly millers. Of course I got these from Amazon as well. So first thing I'm gonna do is just put the shipping label on. I always put the shipping label on first, mainly because like once you already have the packaging, like the products and stuff on the inside, then it starts, you know, kind of getting bulky, and I want to make sure that the tracking label is on there flat. So tracking label, and the further sticker goes right there. In, and then I'll put the brush side by side so it looks like that, if you can see it. And then their card just goes right on the inside. And so with these poly millers, it has like this little strip so that way you can get the adhesive part. And then I just simply fold it over. And now this package is ready to be shipped. pretty simple. It's nothing really major to it, but that's just how I package my products. So now, since I showed you all how I package my orders, I'm just going to do that to the rest of them. I think I maybe had like 5 or 6 orders. So like I said in the previous process, just filling out the stuff that's going to go inside the envelope, putting the name on there, slapping the shipping label on there, putting the product in there. It's a really repetitive process whenever you're packing orders, but whatever's needed to get the job done. And please trust and believe, I'm not mad or anything while I'm doing this. Whenever I'm working on my orders, I just be really focused, and I really don't realize how mean or angry I may look whenever I'm doing it, because I just be so focused. But I promise y'all, that's all it is. I'm just focused on trying to get these orders out. So now, since I have all of these packaged up, I'm gonna put them in a bag and drop them off at the UPS store, and then I'm done with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it.